Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Maguan. The question for today is from Jadine Gaza. She asks, what were the changes in requirements for home loans today versus pre-pandemic? Thanks. There are two things we are referring to when we talk about requirements. One, the criteria banks look at, and two, the paper or documentary requirements. First, let's talk about the criteria. Banks would always check your financial capacity through your income or cash flow, and your credit history over at least the past 3 years. So if you're looking to invest in a pre-selling property today, it is also a great time to show the bank that you have a steady and growing income, and that you are financially disciplined by paying your credit card bills on time and in full. Both of these will give the bank confidence that you can and will continuously pay your monthly loan amortization. Second, in terms of documentary requirements, while specific documents requested may vary per bank, there are no changes such as documents for proof of income, which may include tax returns, certificate of employment, and other supporting documents. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.